Okay, today I will show you how to use the LNC LAN ATC CNC machine. Okay, now it is alarm clamp 200. Press OK. We can press jog. Press jog. Press jog. Okay, press this OK. Check this spindle T number, tool number, spindle tool number is 2. So we need to go to the tool library from left to right. T1, T2, T3, T8, T4, T8, T9, T10. Okay, take off this one. Okay. Press this green button. Press this green button. Okay. Release the green button. Okay. You see now the tool is holding this in spindle. Okay, now the tool clamp zero alarm disappear. Okay, now press OK. Press ZRN. Press start. Okay, machine will move. Home or access. Wait some time. When this here machine could become to 0, means home finished. Okay, this here become to 000, means home finished. Okay, this here is a friction button. This is the spindle run and stop. This is the spindle stand. This is the first move. No, sorry, this is the work spindle. Work processing stand. It's first stand. Okay. Now the set is stop. MEM is auto model. MDI model. MPG is head model. You can choose X, Y, Z or off X, Y, Z. Okay. This is span X1 is 10 X100. Okay. Okay, how to auto calibration the tool. ATM is auto calibration tool. Okay. Now we can press ATM. Now